Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to isolate chrome so you don't ruin any designs ever again. So you're going to start off with your base of choice or your design of choice. I'm just using this beautiful lime green cat eye gel polish and doing one coat here, and I'm just going to make it a little brighter. So I'm taking the magnet and putting it underneath the nail to pull away all of that glitter, and then I'm putting a second coat after curing, and I'm just going to put all of that magnetic effect to the front so that we have a beautiful cat eye to start with our design underneath. This way you can really see what's going on with all of our chrome business here. When you're finished with your design, fully cure it, and then we're going to jump right into the chrome part. So no matter your design, you're going to want to take a no wipe top coat and fully saturate the nail and cure it for a full 60 seconds. Then you want to take a buffing block of any kind and you want to fully buff this nail out. It's not going to hurt your design underneath, don't worry. You're just trying to remove all the shine on this nail. You see how now I buffed a little bit, but there's still some shine. All the places that there's shine, the chrome will stick to. So you really want to make sure you're removing every single ounce of shine on that nail to make sure that your chrome isolates in the best way possible. When this is done, you just want to wipe it off with your fingers, like all the extra little dust, or with a fluffy brush. And then you want to go in with your black no wipe gel polish. That's what I'm going in with here. All the products that I'm using are linked down below. And your liner brush, and go in and do your design of choice. So I'm just doing some random abstract lines here on the side and on the bottom as well. You want to fill all of this in with your gel polish. Don't cure just yet. You want to go in the middle. I'm doing a little star here right in the middle. I'm just trying to show you guys as many different ways that how it does not stick. After this step, I did go ahead and cure the squiggly lines that I did before and the star. Next, I'm taking a no wipe rhinestone gel and mixing it with that same black gel polish just to make a 3D black gel here, and then I'm curing it on the spot with my handheld UV light, and then I'm doing it on the bottom as well, curing it on the spot so that the lines stay as crisp and 3D as we want it to. Now that everything's cured, I'm taking my gold chrome powder and I'm using a makeup sponge, and I'm just rubbing on that chrome, getting it in all those little crevices in between the 3D lines, really not shying away from putting a lot of product here. I'm trying to add as much as I can so you guys can really see how it all comes off. Once you're done, you want to take the clean part of the makeup sponge and wipe off any excess, and then I'm also going in with a fluffy brush and dusting off all that little flecks of chrome in there so that it doesn't transfer into your top coat later. And then you want to top coat and fully cure, and boom, there you have it. You have a fully isolated chrome set. You can really see here how there's no chrome anywhere on the nail. It's just cat eye. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Don't forget to like this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.